What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, crazy day today. As I'm watching just right now the charts, we might actually break the all-time high we set earlier today. So super exciting. I won't waste your time with the intro for too long. Yeah, let's get into the video. Let's talk about Bitcoin today. And yeah, the somewhat surprising election result, but obviously it's having a great effect for us. Yeah, let's get into the video. All right, before I do that, once again, my personal investments, my personal opinions, uh, personal trades I do, personal trades I make. Do your own research. Don't blindly copy me. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so here we are at CoinMarketCap, a whopping almost 7% increase in the total market cap. 2.5 trillion, which is actually higher than I've ever seen it. Yeah, absolutely crazy. I expected a move. I didn't expect a move this big, but yeah, incredible, absolutely incredible. As we see, the Fear and Greed Index is up a little bit, uh, which was to be expected. Like in yesterday's video, we were on around 50ish, very close to fearful, and we absolutely we blew back into the greed level, and I expect us even to go a little higher before we see a move down again. So like let's quickly click it. As I said before, we are moving, we're seeing this big push up, as we have seen here, as we have seen here, as we have seen there. Yeah, completely. I think we will head into the extreme greed territory. Yeah, other than that, there's super bullish news other than the other bullish signs we already had. So yeah, we are doing absolutely great. The Bitcoin ETF surpasses 1 billion in volume within the first 20 minutes of trading, which is absolutely crazy. uh even all the news, if we just keep scrolling, everything is bullish. Like, we're going to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve, which for our long-term plan is absolutely crazy, because this basically translates to everything we buy now will be worth more in the future. Uh, I've not scrolled this far, but uh, everything is bullish. Everything is great. I do think we will be heading into a pullback, not quite yet, but I do think we will see it in further in November, a bit towards the end of November, start of December. As I've said before, around December we usually see trading dying down. But yeah, other than that, it's an absolutely mental day today. Uh, Most other cryptos, a lot of them are all in green. Check the crypto bubbles. Wow, what a big contrast from yesterday and the day before. Yeah, absolutely crazy. 114 or 111 billion dollars in trading volume. Yeah, absolutely crazy. Like, these are the numbers we want to see. And yeah, I hope we get this push continues for a little bit, so that we completely solidify this new all-time high, this new level, and that maybe even further along we can see the altcoins starting to move as well. Uh, Opinions are very divided on it, because altcoins are nowhere near their all-time highs, but they are pretty high still. So I'm skeptical, but I was skeptical about Bitcoin as well. But all in all, this is an absolutely great sign today. Great news. We look at the chart. This was the video I made yesterday. We were around this point, and yeah, we absolutely smashed it. We kept this level, we, and we kept going up, and we even surpassed the 75k. I did have it colored orange because I wasn't sure it was going to be a high resistance level. Figured that 73k, which we rejected, was going to be a more crucial level, but we absolutely smashed that. We even smashed the 75k, and as we're doing the video, we're actually achieving a new all-time high. I'm fairly certain. So where will we end up? Well, honestly, with these kind of movements, we will see this repeated strike, is what I think. If we do look a bit at the double tops, it's fairly safe to assume. I assume people will be taking profits at around 80,000. So let's say drop the horizontal line. 80,000. This is where I think the new resistance will form. So even on this way up, I actually already took some profits just now out of my Bitcoin, but also all of my altcoins. Because if Bitcoin does start to basically correct itself a little bit, correct itself downwards, to which I'm assuming that this will be our new resistance level. So the old all-time high, the 73k around ish, is what I'm suspecting will be our new support level, as usual in basic support and resistance analysis. I don't think the 75k will be much of a support level yet, but we will see. But yeah, the 80k definitely I think is the new target to either reach, blow past in 1 or 2 days, or to see a bigger rejection at. So I would start. I think I would take some more profits around this level and maybe there, just right below it, not exactly on that level, because a lot of take profits, whatever longs. I think a lot of profit points will be around that area. So I'd like to take some profits right before it, just to secure the profit. And yeah, if it goes further, if it goes higher, absolutely great. I'll take a little bit more profit out. One thing's for certain: eventually the price will come back down, and we get to buy back in cheaper. And eventually, essentially, we make a little bit of money on our trade, on our spot trade as well. At the very least, on our dollar cost averaging amounts, because if we keep pouring in money monthly, it's what I do every month. I just buy a little bit more. I do look out for some dips. Obviously, I don't just plainly buy it on the day. The chart's going absolutely crazy behind me as well, so that's fun to see. It's I'm having the live chart on my big screen behind me as well. So yeah, absolutely crazy, super euphoric. The whole market is up. Yeah, I'm excited to see where the end of today will be, or at least in the next few days, because I don't think we've seen the last of the euphoria. For sure, I think we will bounce a little higher, but absolutely crazy for us to reach this in 1 day. And yeah, even on my other chart, we also blew exactly, but we actually bounced on the level on the old all-time high. So that's already a pretty good sign in my book, considering this is the 4-hour chart. Yeah, absolutely crazy. And as I said, like currently while I'm filming this video, I think we will go higher. I think the 80k isn't that far off. I think it's very doable, especially with so much bullish news, and especially now that Trump has been elected, that a lot of more companies, ETFs, big investors are starting to move more money into it. Yeah, I think the sky is very sunny for us. And even if we see a short-term correction on this for the coming years, I think we are absolutely set. And yeah, I will definitely be moving my dollar cost averaging amounts, and I'll just keep pouring in more money in every month, basically. Yeah, um, yeah. I'm a little lost for words. Very positive, all in all. I just wanted to do this little update. I will be doing a video about investing one-on-one, basically investing as opposed to trading. I will be doing that at the end of this week, around Friday. So hopefully you stay tuned for that and try to watch that video, because I think it will be very interesting, especially the people new to investing or new to crypto in general or stocks or whatever. I think it will be a very interesting video. All right. Other than that, if you have any news you want to share, every trading suggestion you do, or whatever you need some advice on, or something you're looking at and not sure, or just a random yay comment just to celebrate these prices, yeah, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. And please, if you would do me a massive favor, press the like and subscribe button. I'm dedicated to keeping more videos like this and, yeah, experiencing more moments like this with you guys. Uh, yeah, I think we are yet to see the everything that's about to happen in the next few years. All right, peace.